So what is PDSCH? PDSCH is the main data carrying channel in the downlink of 5G NR. It delivers user data like video, web content, system information, SIBs, paging messages, broadcast and multicast content. It is to data what PDCCH is to control. So why is PDSCH used? Because it's the only physical channel used to transmit user and system data. It's the only physical channel used to transmit user and system data from the G node B 5G base station to UV. No PDSCH, no data download. It's the only physical channel used to transmit user and system data from the base station to UV. No PDSCH, no data download. When is PDSCH used? Whenever the G node B wants to send data to a UV. When is PDSCH used? Whenever the G node B wants to send the data to UV after scheduling it using DCI, downlink control information on the PDCCH. Whenever the G node B wants to send the data to a UV after scheduling it using DCI on the PDCCH, that is where PDSCH is used. In every slot, PDSCH may be present depending on scheduling decisions. Every slot, PDSCH may be present depending on scheduling decisions, arc retransmissions, traffic flow. Every slot, PDSCH may be present depending on scheduling decisions, arc retransmissions, traffic flow. Every slot, PDSCH may be present depending on scheduling decisions, arc retransmission, traffic flow. So where is PDSCH located? PDSCH L80. PDSCH, it is located in the data portion of the slot after control PDCCH region. Located in the data portion of the slot after control PDCCH region. Can be flexibly mapped over time and frequency using bandwidth part, BWP, resource block, allocations, symbol, timing. So where is PDSCH located? PDSCH, it is located in the data portion of the slot. Located in the data portion of the slot after control PDCCH region. Can be flexibly mapped over time and frequency using bandwidth part, BWP. Okay. Can be
Mm-hmm.
flexibly mapped over time and frequency using bandwidth part. Resource block allocation, symbol timing. So NR supports dynamic, TDD and flexible slot configuration. So the location of PDSCH varies. NR supports dynamic, TDD and flexible slot configuration. So the location of PDSCH varies. So how is PDSCH used? G node B uses PDSCH via PDCCH. G node B schedules PDSCH via PDCCH. Okay. G node B, it will schedule PDSCH via PDCCH. UV receives DCI with resource assignment. UV tunes to the assigned time frequency resources. UV will tune to the assigned time frequency resources. PDSCH carries the encoded transport block. PDSCH, it has an encoded transport block using modulation and coding schemes. Okay, based on CQI, MIMO, etc. PDSCH, it will carries encoded transport block using modulation and coding schemes based on CQI, MIMO, etc. So UV decodes PDSCH and sends arc feedback via uplink, PUCCH or PUSCH. PDSCH carries the encoded transport block using modulation and coding schemes based on CQI, MIMO, etc. UV decodes PDSCH and sends arc feedback via uplink, PUCCH or PUSCH. Huh? Okay. G node B schedules a PDSCH via PDCCH. Huh? It will schedule PDSCH based on the information that is present in PDCCH, that is DCI information. UV receives DCI with resource assignment. Then UV will tune to the assigned time and frequency resources. UV, it will tune to the assigned time and frequency resources. Then PDSCH, it will carry encoded transport block using modulation and coding schemes based on CQI, MIMO, etc. PDSCH carries the encoded transfer block using modulation and coding schemes based on CQI, MIMO, etc. UE it will decode PDSCH and sends the HARC feedback through uplink PUCCH or PUSCH. UE it will decode the PDSCH and sends HARC feedback via uplink PUCCH or PUSCH. So PDSCH what it will use? It will use LDPC coding. LDPC coding. QPSK 16 QAM, 64 QAM, 256 QAM. MIMO up to 8 years. 8 layers. Okay. So what if PDSCH wasn't there? UEs wouldn't receive data system info or paging. Network would be control only with no useful service to users. The entire downlink data path collapses.